In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install kalilinux on your computer. So first thing I want you to download is the workstation. So we are installing the Vmware. So you need to install the workstation, and you can get it from here. And also you need to download Kali, the Vmware machine, on your computer, and you can just get it by going to this page and clicking on this button here. It's about 3.4 gig, so it's going to take quite some time. So you can pause the video, get the software, and come back to the video. So I already have it on my computer, and I'll just go right to installation. So here I already have the Vmware workstation. So you download it, you can put it in anywhere, a safe space in your computer. So I'm just going to run this and follow the instructions to install the station. So all you need to do is just to follow the instructions as they come up. So you wait for it to install, and after this, you can go straight to installing Kali. So usually it's going to take few minutes to install, depending on the capacity of your computer. So right now I have the workstation installed, and I just click finish. So I can go ahead to install this. This is the station. All you just need to do is run it. And once you run it, you can go ahead to, so I already have it installed on my computer. I already have the Kali Vmware on your computer. It's going to be zipped. So all you just need to do is to unzip it, select the folder, and click on open. So I already have it here on my computer. So that's why you can see that it's installed already. So the next thing you want to do is you can go straight ahead to, play, or you can also just do this few setup. So your memory you want to leave at 4 gigabytes. Your processor should be at 4. You want to change your network adapter to NAT. And I think basically those are the setups you need to do. And you just click on play, and it's going to run Kali. So yeah, you can see it's running on your computer right now. If you have any question, drop it on the comment section, and I'll do well to answer the questions. Subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you.